Hi, I'm Rob from Rochester Ginger and Natural Remedy Tonics. Here at Mind Body Spirit Festival, we're sampling our non-alcoholic ginger drinks, which have got a real kick of two very angry mules. And we're also showcasing our new range of nutraceutical tonics. The first one is our Ginseng, Ginkgo and Brahmi. It's designed for memory and concentration. Ginseng been around for thousands of years as a natural pick-me-up for endurance, energy to give you longer. It has beautiful colours of blueberries, green tea and chrysanthemums. It's my tonic for the brain fog. At 2 o'clock, will I feel tired, crave coffee, need something sweet? It's so good for you and tastes so nice as well. Our second tonic is our turmeric tonic. Turmeric is amazing as a super herb for so many benefits. But did you know that the active ingredient within turmeric is called curcumin? And curcumin is 40 times stronger than standard turmeric powder. So one serving of this turmeric powder is equivalent of 3 tablespoons of turmeric. The colour looks amazing. It has licorice, mango, cinnamon, ginger, orange, black pepper, and absorbs really well into the system. That's our turmeric tonic. Amazing for its bioavailability. You can put it into some juice, tea, water. We like it with coconut milk, and that's how we're serving it today. It absorbs well. And the final of our tonic is one of my favourites, as it conjures up some great nostalgic memories. Sarsaparilla. For me, sarsaparilla reminds me of long road trips in the car, hot days. We bring out the sarsaparilla, so refreshing. It's one of those flavours that you'll remember for the rest of your life. And what we've done is created a sarsaparilla tonic that mirrors a classic sarsaparilla back in the late 1800s, before the soft drink manufacturers took hold of it and changed the recipe. So in this one, you can say bye-bye to artificial colours and flavours and 70% sugar and the nasty 150D caramel colour. And instead, what we've done is we've replaced it with real sarsaparilla root with licorice, molasses, ginseng, brown pears, no added sugar. You can see that the beautiful colours of the herbs there with licorice, molasses, really good for adrenals, skin. It's a natural pick-me-up and it tastes so amazing. So it goes to show you, you don't need refined cane sugar or artificial sweeteners or tasters to make a tonic not just healthy for you, but tastes fantastic as well. I just love sipping on that. It just takes me back to the good old days when things used to be slow, times were great, and drinks just tasted so much better. So come and see us at Mind Body Spirit Festival. You can try these tonics and ginger and more, and we'd love to see you there soon.